Hey guys, welcome to one of my live streams once more. A few days ago, a friend out here who runs a bar asked me if it was possible to target people on Facebook advertising who are currently on holiday in a certain location. So I thought it would be easier if I just jumped on a screen demonstration and showed you how to do this. So I'm going to jump screens, I'm going to hop over. Okay, so when you set your ad campaign up, when you come to the targeting bit, where it says locations, I'm going to flip this over to people traveling in this location. Yeah, so that just means people who are traveling through that location. So it probably means they're on holiday, visiting family or whatnot. Yeah, so if you've got a service that relies on mass tourism in the summer, yeah, this is a good way to get seen by these people who are already floating about the vicinity of wherever you are. So I'm just going to pick on Lindos in Rhodes, which is where I am currently located for the summer. So let's have a look. We're going to have a look. Lindos, and we'll not do the Brazil one. Lindos in the southern Aegean. Okay, so a 40-kilometre radius of Lindos will pull up the full island, which this would be perfect if you've got any sort of trips that you run. So if you've got a tour company, so I know there's guys out here who do boat trips, jeep safaris, wine tours, trips to the other end of the island, cruises, luxury yacht trips. Yeah, so that would be ideal for them. There's guys out here who've got bars, restaurants. So this is a way to tell people about your business who are already floating about and probably are either on TripAdvisor or one of the Facebook groups saying, hiya, can anyone recommend a restaurant to try this evening? Does anyone know who's got the football on tonight? Yeah, so this is a good way to get your stuff seen by people who are currently traveling through your location. Same if you've got, if you live anywhere where it relies on mass tourism, out of town visitors, yeah, or if you've got maybe some big event on in your town and you know there's going to be a lot of out of towners coming into town, good way to get yourself seen by these guys, yeah, and good way to get them through the door at your business. Okay, so that is how you switch this over to people who are traveling through a location. Okay, so as a default, Facebook sets it to everyone in this location. So if you were trying to promote your bar to tourists and you kept it at everyone in this location, your ad campaign is going to go out to people who already live in that area and probably know who you are, may not visit your premises or already know about your premises or already attend your premises, yeah, or they might be local workers that probably would not have the time to come to a restaurant or go on boat trips and whatnot, yeah. So if you're running an ad campaign and you target everyone in that location, you're going to be wasting a lot of ad spend on people that are never going to set foot in your premises or take up one of your trips. Yeah, so make sure you switch that over to people traveling in this location. And that is that. While I'm on, it was just a quick one today. While I'm on, I've still got 2 spaces left on the 50% off offer of the Facebook Ads Management Program. So what that is, cost is £350. You have me at your disposal for 30 days. We set up the ad campaign together. I will then monitor it for 30 days, liaise closely with you to let you know how your ad's performing. If I think it's not performing very well or it could perform better, I will come back to you and say, look, we need to change the content, we need to do this, we need to change this, we need to change your targeting, and so on. So there's literally 2 spaces left. I've had about 10 inquiries today for the last 2 spaces. So first come, first served. So the next person who books on gets the next space, and the person after that gets the next space, then there will be no more spaces available, and it will be going back up to full price of £697 per month. Okay, so this is just a one-off summer special that I'm running, 50% off for a trial of having me manage your ad campaigns for you. Any questions, throw them in the comments, and I will pop on and answer any questions you may have. And I'll probably see you tomorrow with another live stream when I decide what the topic of choice is tomorrow. Okay, see you later.